See if anybody's home. There he is. Whoa, yeah. That's a good one. There he is. Nice. Keeper. Settle down here, buddy. Ooh. Maybe long fish, maybe 15. How about him? That's good, fun. Yeah, let me take it there. Here you go, buddy. There you go. Yeah. Oh, wow. There he went. There it is. Yeah, there we go. Little bitty bone. Come on, some decent fish here. Golly. Whoa, get up here. That's the kind we catch out here. See, that's a hungry one there. Oh, don't want to handle you too much there. Yeah. Yep, right there. Whoosh. Well, rinse them off here. Whoa. Okay. That's about maybe a pounder, huh? So keeper, huh? A rock or a fish? That's a fish. Yep, a good one too. Stay down. God damn it. Yeah. There he is. Whoa. Okay, that's the biggest one yet. Good one for my birthday. Now, set the camera up here. That's a good 5-pounder. Wow. Okay, I gotta get this hook out of there. There it is. And off he goes. He'll recover. Yeah, nice. There he is. Whoa, that's a good one. Oh, I'll show you. Whoa. Come on, big boy. Dang. Build this bad boy. Not lost him. God dang, he's a strong one. Come on, buddy. Get you cleaned up here. Okay, there's a good 1.5 there. Coming in this time, big boy. Yeah. This is a nice fish. Well, that one went to 2.20, 219. Probably about 16 and a half inches. Okay, big boy, you go back in to your hiding spot. Yep. Well, it's fish. That's a 5 for me today, so. Whoa,
Oh!
8 pound.
No. Yep, there we are.
Going down. And there we go, 223. A little over 2 pounds. Another pound, a little over, maybe not 2 pounds, yeah. What a face with these fish. Come on. There's one right there. He went for it. No, he's just a little one, huh? Well, he went for it. It's a start. Oh, there we are. Oh yeah, he picked up. It was a slow pickup. Oh, come on. Stay on there. Yeah, it was a slow pickup. Come on. Come on. Pretty decent little fish, I think. Yeah. That was a good fish, people. Oh, he's coming out. Nope. Gosh, darn it. There one right there. Oh, son of a gun. Yeah, there's a first one of the day here, folks. Didn't need my net for him, though. There we are. Yeah, right there. Come on, buddy. Wow. Well, 462. Nice one. Dang. Well, I gotta measure him here. Yeah, it surprised the heck out of me. Yeah, it's going right about 20, 23 and a half. It's a nice fish, folks. Nice fish. Yeah. What do you think? 4.5 pounds, about 23 and a half inches long. A little excited here. There we are, right there. Hurt too much, but there you go. 3.2 pounds.